Mama, I'm lying here tonight. The room is quiet, no more light. I hear your voice inside my head. Every word you ever said. You held my hand when I was small. You were there through it all. Now the world feels far away, and I don't know what to say. I wish I had a little more time, just one more day, just one more night. Mama, I have to say goodbye. Please don't you cry, don't ask me why. I'm going somewhere far away, where pain and tears will fade to gray. Mama, I hope you understand. I'll always hold your loving hand. Even if I'm not inside, I'll be your star in the night. Mama, I remember your smile. You made my world feel so worthwhile. Through every storm, through every fall, you were my home, my all in all. If I could turn the time around, I'd stay with you, I'd stay right now. But something's calling me away, and I don't have the strength to stay. I feel your tears upon my skin, but I know where I must begin. Mama, I have to say goodbye. Please don't you cry, don't ask me why. I'm going somewhere far away, where pain and tears will fade to gray. Mama, I hope you understand. I'll always hold your loving hand. Even if I'm not inside, I'll be your star in the night.